Hello everyone. In today's online class, I would like to teach you a poem, Amanda. This poem is written by an Australian poet, Robin Callan. Robin Callan has written many famous poems for children. This poem is about a little girl, Amanda. The poem is in the form of a conversation between the mother and her daughter. Amanda is constantly pointed out by her mother for making a number of mistakes. Actually, in every society, girls are put under some pressure. The society wants a specific behavior from all of them. The society doesn't give freedom to the girls as it is given to the boys. The poem describes a girl, Amanda, and her mother who is nagging her for her mistakes. She is first pointed out most probably by her mother for biting her nails and for not sitting in the right posture. The mother also feels that Amanda sits in a lazy manner. इस पोएम के अंदर मदर और डॉटर के बीच में बातचीत हो रही है और अपनी बातचीत में मदर अपनी डॉटर को बार बार डांट रही है। वो ये कहना चाहती है कि उसकी बेटी सही पोस्चर के अंदर बैठती नहीं है, वो बार बार अपने नाखून खाती है और इसके अलावा वो अपनी मदर की बात को सुनती नहीं है। The mother feels that the daughter is not in her control. To this, Amanda imagines herself as a mermaid who lives in a calm and relaxed life in a beautiful green sea. Further, the girl is nagged for not cleaning her room and not polishing her shoes and also for not doing her homework. She says that she wants to live a life of freedom. She wants to make some patterns with her bare feet on the soft dust, and she wants to live a life full of peace away from her parents where they are unable to put any pressure on them. Next, Amanda is scolded for eating too many chocolates as most of the children and particularly girls do. The mother says that because of eating so many chocolates, there are acne or pimples on her face. To this, the girl replies that she wants to live like a Rapunzel, a character from fairy tales, and wants to live on a tower. Actually, the Rapunzel had very golden hair, who lived on a tower and enjoyed absolute freedom. Then the mother asks her to stop this type of behavior, okay, and she doesn't want anyone to blame her for harassing her daughter. At this, the poet has not written any reaction for Amanda's side. So, the poem is about girls who are not given as much freedom as boys are given in every society. The society wants a specific behavior from girls, but girls want to live in their own dreamy worlds like Rapunzel, or they imagine themselves as mermaids. I hope that student you will enjoy the poem when I will explain it word by word. This is for today. In the next video I shall explain the poem word by word. I hope that you will enjoy it. Thank you for listening me and have a nice day.